Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Christmas cave in Fish Game on Roblox Christmas Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the detail about the Christmas Update Part 2. In this update, you will be able to find the Christmas cave for every 2 hours and it opens for 30 minutes. And I'm going to show you the way to go to the Christmas cave. You need to go to the Christmas Island and then just follow me guys. You can head to the right side and go to this location, and here you will find a cave, and just go in the cave and just follow me right here. Okay, and this is the cave, but it's still closed, so I need to wait until it's opened and I'll be right. Okay, finally the Christmas cave is already opened, and I'm going to teleport to the cave using this portal, and let's see what's inside this cave. Okay, this is how the cave looks like, and there will be 2 spots that you can use to fish the secret fish. And this is the first location guys. In here you will be able to get more icy fish as it says. Okay, and okay, this is the fishing spot, the first one, and the second one just go to the bottom. But wait, let me fish here. Okay, I got ornament fish, and I'm going to go to the second spot. Okay, it's right here. I'm just gonna jump to this location. There is a waterfall. Okay, and you can fish here guys. And okay guys, that's how you can find the Christmas cave in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.